Well, this is your Mayor, Jefferson Wagner. We're expecting a series of strong winter storms to hit the Malibu area over the next few days. I urge all residents to follow the mandatory evacuation order from the LA County Sheriff's Department. You can't outrun or fight these mudslides. They're moving K-rails all the time. This can happen without warning. The city is on a 24-hour emergency status. Public Works crews are monitoring sensitive areas and clearing the roads and drainage areas to prevent future flooding. The fire department and sheriff's departments have augmented the staffing and put them in place. The sheriffs are patrolling neighborhoods to ensure safety and security during these evacuations. The Malibu CERT team has been activated and is out providing information to residents in the area around the evacuation zones. The sheriff's volunteers on patrol are patrolling Malibu to assist with traffic direction and reporting problems. Please be extremely cautious on the roads and PCH in your neighborhoods. Stay cautious, stay dry, and let's get through this next event without issue.